Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Undertale VHS Sense on my iOS device. If you are looking for a way to play this on your iPhone or Android, just watch tutorial step by step to the end and I will show you how. So all you need to do on your iOS or Android device is just go to APK mode iOS and search for Undertale VHC, and here it is, and you just need to install it on your iOS, or if you have an Android device you will install the APK file on your Android. So you just give it a couple of seconds for Undertale VHS Sense to install on your device, and here it is guys, the game has been installed and you should see it on your home menu. Simple as that. Thank you for watching and have a great day.